get in there. I want no bullshit. You stay on my 6 at all times.
Stay sharp. These fuckers are nasty and dangerous. Stay alert. What the hell happened here? Where are the bodies?
So I went to the zoo the other day, and all they had was one dog. It was a Shih Tzu.
Videos with built-in dialogue really changes things, doesn't it?
It's like they don't understand that it's coming for all of us. They're making these things smarter, and they think they can control it, but they can't. You can't control something that...
I just want to wearing it.
So I said, I'm not wearing that.
Oh, you didn't.
I'm using VO3 to generate videos, and it's so easy.
I can't believe this VO3 thing can do dialogue now.
Ah! A talking
This
muffin!
ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
Do you think we are in Veo 3?
If you cannot tell, does it matter?
Sure.
Okay, so Riz is basically short for charisma.
Got it.
And that's a verb as well.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck?
The sum of the squares of the two shorter sides is equal to the square of the longest side.
And when we begin to understand the fabric of the universe, we begin to understand our place within it.
Cheddar, Swiss, Gouda, Brie, they can all agree cheese is the best thing for you and for me.
Space has got perils, unknown dangers, better beware. My line of work, potential for disaster, gotta take care.
It is absolutely impossible to think in this noise.
I've faced down dragons, their scales like obsidian. Their fiery breath, a tempest did I withstand?
From quasars' light, a cosmic dance we weave, in spiral arms where galaxies conceive. We search the core of black.
Where were you on the night of the bubble bath?